So see here. Okay, so 83 question, right? Hmm. Boys and girls ratio is how much? 14 is to 9. Boys is to girls is how much? 14 is to 9. And they are telling number of girls are 234. So is same as boys is to girls. So girls is how much? 234. So we have to find the boys, right? Yes. If you want to find the boys, how do we do? Yes. That is means and extremes. We have to multiply means and extremes, isn't it? No, means and extremes. So means is how much? This. Means is 9 and question mark. Okay. Yes. Okay. So then we have to multiply these two. Extremes, ends. Yes. Okay. So if this is, let us take it as question mark as x. Okay. So x into 9, or I will, x into 9 is 14 into 234. You have to multiply these two. Yes. So if you take this 9 to the other side, it will what? It will divide. This 9, if you take other side, it will divide. So x is equal to 14 into 234 divided by 9. Cancel it now. If you cancel, what answer you will get? 9 how many is? 9 2s are 18, 5 will be remaining. 9 how many is 54? 9 6 are 54. So what is remaining? 14 into 26. 26 14 is how much? Yes. 368. So 368. Now here x is boys, right? So 368 boys are there. So total will be how much now? 368 boys are there. X is boys. 600. Yes, boys is 368. So total strength means we have to find boys plus girls. So boys is 368, girls is how much? 234. If you add, you will get how much? 702 we are getting. Huh? Sir, but I got the answer as 598. 328 it is. 328 it will be. 328 plus 234. Answer will be? Sir, it will be 562. What happened? 562. That is also not there. Yes, we have to take 4 carry, 8 carry and 4 here, right? I took opposite. That is why it came answer. So, sir, 364. 364. Yes, sir. 364. Now if you do it, sir, it will be 364. If you add, you will get answer how much? 598. 598. 598, sir. Okay now. Okay, fine. Okay, this is how you have to do. Okay, good. Write it down. So now 85 question. The ratio between the income and expenditure is how much? 10 is to 7. Income is to expenditure is 10 is to 7. If the total expenses is 10,500. Expenses means that is expenditure. income is to expenditure. Expenditure is how much? That is 10,500. Okay, income we don't know. Now one shortcut you can do. How? We can add one more saving in the extra. What we can do? We can add one saving extra. Yes means saving. So income is 10 rupees, expenditure is how much? Income is 10 rupees, expenditure is 7 rupees. So savings will be how much? You have 10 rupees, you ate 7 rupees. Remaining will be 3 rupees. So savings will be 3 extra. So is saving, we have to find it now. Right? Before, after that. Great. So I took it extra. Okay. So you write that only 2. So income is to saving is 7 is expenditure. E means expenditure is to saving is 3 is to 7 is to 3 is equal to how much? Expenditure is to saving here 10,500 is to saving. So will you be able to do now means and extremes? That is saving, we have to find it, right? So I will do directly. That is these two we have to multiply, right? That is ends we have to multiply these two, and then these two you have to multiply. So if you take question mark into 7, that is x into 7, x will go that side and divide. X into 7 means, so should I do directly? Yes, or should I write? Okay, I will write it. So here we have to multiply means and extreme raise. So question mark into 7 ends is equal to 3 into 10,500. So question mark is equal to, we have to take that 7 to other side, it will divide. So 3 into 1 lakh, that is 10,500 divided by 7. So if you divide with 7, how much will be the answer? 7, 15, how many is this? 100, 5, 15 sevens are. So 15 will be the answer here. 0, 0 as it is. So 15 3s is how much? 15 3s is 45 and 2 0 as it is. So savings is how much? Yes, yes. Savings is 4,500. Savings 4,500, option D. Right, shortcut we did. That is, we included one extra saving. That is, how do we find the saving? By taking income minus expenditure. What you have and then you expense. Okay? That. 86 question, right? A watermelon is cut into 2 pieces in the ratio 3:5. According to its weight, the bigger piece is cut again into 2 pieces in the ratio 5:7 according to its weight. Find the ratio among the 3 pieces is the question. Right? Yes? So these type of question, it is just framed a little different, but it is same question. Okay? So what it is there, let us see. Okay?
Is it like an ABC question?
Ha, ABC question like thing. Okay? Yes. So here a watermelon is cut into 2 pieces. Right? So 2 pieces, let us take first piece and second piece. So what is the ratio? 3:5, and then according to its weight. The bigger piece is cut again into 2 pieces. This 5 is cut into how much? 2 pieces, that is 5:7 according to its weight. So find the ratio among the 3 pieces. Okay? Yes.
3 into 5 is not going to work because it's going to be 15.
Yes, it is not gonna work. It will be little different. How little different? Let us see that. Okay. So here, if you add it, these two if you add it, you will get this one, right? Yes, that is the same piece is divided. If you combine it, you will get this one, right? Yes, so that is, this is, if you add 5 plus 7, you will get, combine it, right? If you combine it, 5 plus 7, you will get this one. So 5 plus 7 is how much? Yes, 12. So this is 5, but here it is 12. Okay, so you have to make it something common. What you have to do? You have to make it something common. So 5 and 12 common will be LCM. So 5 and 12 LCM is how much? 60. So you multiply with 60 here. That is, to make it 60, how much we have to multiply with 3? 20. 23 is a 60, 12 5 is a 60. Right? So 60 is to, that is how much? No. Here, to make it 60, here we have to multiply with 12, right? So here also 12. So 12 3 is a 36 is to 60. Okay, then here it is 5 is to 7, then it will be 12, right? So 5 is to 7, how do we do here? Yes, I will write it in a proper way. Okay, fine. In a proper way I will write it. We will take one example and do. It will be easy in a proper way. Okay, listen here. Yes, it is coming. If you do like this, it may be confusing for you, but I will do with example. I will take with example. Okay, let it be. If you have written, just scratch it one time, that's it. Okay, so listen how to do in a, I will take one example and do it. Okay. So now here one watermelon is there. Let us take one watermelon. It is 1000 gram. How much gram? 1000 gram, 1 kg watermelon. That is divided into how much? Divided into 2 pieces. First piece is how much? And second piece is how much? That is 3 is to 5. If you divide this 1000, let's take 800. Okay, 800 would be easy because 3 plus 5 is 800, right? So 800. Okay, so let's take 800 instead of 3 plus 5 is 8, right? So 800 I took. So this 3 means it will be how much gram? 300 gram. This 5 is there, right? This 5 will be how many grams? 500 gram. This second one, this second 500 gram now is divided. Is divided into how much? Yes? 5 by 5 is to 7. So 5 is to 7 is total 12. So 500 divided by 12 if you do, what will be the answer? Yes? 12. Yes. So 12 how many is? 12 4s are 48. 2 will be remaining. It will be how much? Yes? 12 1s are 12 and it will come in the decimal point, right? So let's take in decimal point only. Okay, so 8 will be remaining. 12 how many is? 12 6 are 72. Again 8 will be remaining. 6 will come. Okay. So let us keep like this only. So 500 divided by 12 is there, right? Yes, we divided with 12. So you have to multiply with 5 here. So here 5 into, right? So 5 into 500 divided by 12 is to 7 into how much? 500 divided by 12. Okay, so you got these 3 ratios now, right? So first one is 300 gram. Second one is how much? That is 1500 into 5. Or here what we should take, the number will be easy is, here 3 plus 5 is 8 and then here it should be 12, right? So it should be divisible by 12. 8 12s are 96. 9600 you should take. So 9600, okay, 5 will come here, right? So 5 and 12, 5 and 12 means 60. 60 3s are 1800. 1800 if you take, it will be easy, I think. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, anyway, okay students, anyway I will explain this. Okay, listen here. So this is one watermelon. Let's take its weight as 480 gram. Why 480 gram? I will take. Okay, so here first and second cut. First and second, what is the ratio? 3:5 is there, and second one is cut. Second one is cut into what ratio? That is 5:7. So here how to take the weight? Now here 5:7. If you add, you will get 12, and this 3 5 12. So we have to take the what? Take the LCM of 3 5 and 12. 3 5 and 12. What will be the LCM? 15 15 12 8 8. Sorry, 3 5 is plus 8, right? So 3 plus 5 is how much? 8. So 8 and 12. So 480 we took. So 8 and 12. Yes. 8 and 12. What will be the 8 and 12 LCM? It would be 480. These type of questions will not be 48. 48, right? So 48 if you take, it will be easy. Okay. So 48 gram. 48 gram means it will become 3s. So 3 plus 8, 6. 1 is 6. So it will be 18, and this will be 8. This question is not there. Okay, so it will become 18, and this will become how much? That is 30. Okay, this question is not there. Don't go. Not there for the Sainik. Okay, so answer will be 18 is 2, then 30 is there, right? 30 will be divided. So 300.
So I think in RMS they will give this question.
No, that will not be given in any. Okay, so 300 means it will be not required. Okay, so 25 5 is 125. 125 is to how much it is? Yes, 125 is to 175, right? 175 means it is 180 is to second one is 300 is to 175. So this will be the ratio. If you simplify, you will get the answer. Okay, yes. So if you simplify, which table it will come? Yes, 25, not 25. 5 table it will come. So 5 table means 36 will come. 36 is to how much here? 60. That is, and then again we have to divide. So 5 table, 10 table, 10 table will not come. So 175. 5 table means how much will be the answer? 30. 5, yeah. So 36 is to 35. Then middle 25 will come. Okay, here they have taken second one as 125. 125 you take, you will get the answer. So here somewhere answer is option C. We got the same, right? Okay. No need to understand. This question will not come. Leave this. Okay? Leave this. So not required. I will tell which are not required. So are distributed among either ratio. These are all type of questions will not be asked. Leave this. Okay?
Sir, easy.
This is easy, but these type of questions will not be asked. Directly they will give. Okay? Direct ratio they will give. Okay? Yes. Okay. There are 600 students in the school. The ratio between the boys to the girls is 5:3. If 30 more girls are there, then the ratio between the number of girls to that boys is. So, okay, fine. 88 question. Okay. So 88 question.
English in
should I explain 88? There are total 600 student. So total is how much? 600. Okay, boys is to girls. You do pataki in the exam, okay? They let them do here. Then you do in the Sainik exam. Yes? Your life will be pataka after that. Hmm? Yes. Okay. Yes, 75 will come. So share. Now boys will be how much now? Okay, so if you find boys will be, that is 3 is there, right? So 5 into 75, and girls will be how much? 3 times. Girls is 3 times, right? So 3 into 75. So it will be how much? You find it out. Then we have to find the 50 more girls join. 50 more girls means we have to add girls to that. 50 to the answer. 150. Yes, 225 girls. So girls 50 more. 50 more girls means 225 plus 50 will be 275. Yes. Now we have to find the ratio. What you have to find? Ratio between girls to boys. Okay, ratio. We know girls to boys. Girls are 275 divided by boys. If you find boys, you will get the answer. Here don't multiply. This you don't multiply boys. No need to multiply. No need to multiply. No need to multiply. So 5 into 75, because we have to cancel it. Ratio means divided by. We have to cancel it. So that is why I did not multiply. So 275 divided by 5 into 75. So how much will be the answer if you divide? So 25 table you can divide. So 25 3s are 75. Okay. So 25 how many is 275? Yes. 25 11s are. So it will be how much now? 5 3s are 15. 11 is to 15 will be the answer, option D. Okay. Yes. So 11 here divided by 5 3s are 15. So 11 by 15 answer. Okay. Yes.